What's going on, guys? Advanced Living Pen here, and I just got a broken keyboard, so I just ordered a new keyboard. This is the Trust GXT Tural with a mouse, and this packet was 30 euros for me. So it's compared in dollars, $25 maybe, I don't know. And I'm just gonna unbox it for you guys. And I'm also gonna try it out on my computer. But my computer for now has the keyboard and the mouse still on it. So we need to disassemble that. And it just opens up really nice over here. There we go. Oh, what that? Shit. I think I have to do it the other way, but okay, doesn't matter. I think this is the upside. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, well that didn't come out really nicely, but okay. So that's the box. Let's close this box. Let's show you around the back and front. So this is the front of the box. This is the back of the box, and it comes with a mouse with the different colors. I hope it's with the different colors, of course. Now you see anti-ghosting. There is 6 responsive buttons, gaming keyboard and mouse. Full-size layout, 3 color LED illumination with adjustable brightness, anti-ghosting, mouse. Yeah, so it's a colored keyboard, of course. It's really cool with the colors. Now, the keyboard that I have right now is only 1 color or 3 colors, but it can only do 1 color at a time. And this one is a full rainbow color. So, and there's also a few buttons that you can adjust the colors with. So that's the box. We have a warranty guide, I don't know. And this is the actual keyboard. Wow, this is really cool, by the way, because this is plastic, or is it steel? I don't know. But good buttons, by the way. Really good buttons. Really solid buttons too. And the color comes out of this one over here. Just gonna. Oh, excuse me. There we go. Oh. Oh my! It's quite heavy, by the way. And it comes with a USB stick, of course. You need to plug it in with a USB stick. So that's the keyboard for now, the GXT Tural. I'm not familiar with it, but it is from Trust, and I like the Trust stuff. And this is the mouse that comes with it. It changes colors. It looks really cool, by the way. Also the mouse, and this is the button for the colors, because I have just a mouse like this, but a different type of it. And yeah, it looks really cool, by the way. It has all the screws in it, and yeah, it's a good mouse. Now my previous mouse is also still connected, but it's also a bit broken because the USB connector doesn't connect to it very well. So it says doo-doo, 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 doo-doo. So that needs to be changed too. So that is really good, because now I have a mouse and I have a keyboard. And it is a really solid, keyboard too. So that's really cool. So let's plug it into the computer, and I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back. Now, as you guys can see, this is my previous keyboard. This is the Genesis. Now this thing works cool. You can see it has the different colors. So it has a red color, it has a blue color, and it has a purple color, but the shift button isn't really working when I want to type capital letters. And that is quite annoying if you're on a text message. So just gonna put it a little bit over here. Oh, maybe just a little bit. Yeah, there we go. And of course I also got a mouse with it. That's this one. This is a Trust DXT. Not sure what type it is, but as you guys can see, it is pretty used because of the editing I do. And this is the color fixture, so it turns red or it turns green, blue and red. So yeah, 3 colors. I have this one for about a year, maybe 2 years. And yeah, the mouse is not that responsive anymore. So I thought it was just time to get a new one. So now we're gonna change into the new one. I'll be right back. So now we got the new keyboard, the GXT Tural. It has not plugged in yet. This is the cord. I need to get more light in here. Oh, wait a minute. I also got my studio light. So let's put the cord over here under the screen, because it usually go under the screen. Go in. Yes, that's one. Oh wow, oh my god, you can see the colors already on this thing. That is just cool. Look at the colors. Let me just adjust this thing. These are the colors. Let me just, oh, there we go. I got my gimbal with it too. You guys can see the colors. Is it on follow mode? Yeah, I think it is. Now it's on lock mode. Nice. Now you guys can actually see the buttons. So we got num lock, screen lock. So yeah, just the basically type of things. Let's put it on pen follow again. And how do I do this? Oh, like that, okay. So there has to be a button that you can change your color with. Not really sure. Okay, how can I change my colors? Can you guys see that? Yep, okay. Now it's really sturdy, by the way. That's also cool. Num-lock, screen, pause break, screen, home, PG up, PG down, and num-lock. Where's the colors? I think this is the color. Oh, that's the color variation. Look, this is the color variation button. Now it goes from blue, yellow, purple to off, and then blue, green, and then this color. Oh, I like this color. This color is the best. I mean, I just like it. Now, it also comes with these specs. Oh wow. And I can just capture it like this. You can just open this up to give it a nice stance. Yeah, that looks cool. Very, very, very sturdy keyboards. Okay, so let's plug in the mouse. Because yeah, there we go. SSD. Okay, so now it's red. It's green. Wait a minute. Does this go automatic? Oh wow, that's cool. It goes automatically from color changing. Look at that. That's cool. It changes color. Now, I wonder if I also can. Oh, out of breath again. I wonder if I can change the color too. Wow, this is a very cool mouse, by the way. So let's put it a little bit over here. Stupid GoPro. Where's the? Oh, here we go. Oh wow, it feels really cool, by the way. It feels good. It's really sturdy also. It has some nice buttons. It changes color every time. So this is the old mouse, and it almost looks the same like it, maybe? A little bit. Wow, this one is a little bit fat. This one is quite small, and it feels nice in the hand, on the hand. So, and it's also really fast, by the way. Oh my god. It's quite fast. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. This has a speed of, I think, 30 to 100 dpi. It's really fast. You can also change it to the screen. Yeah. And it changes color every time. That's really cool. I wonder if I can change my color too. Because if you turn this button on, you can turn it off, and okay, now it's red. Just deep red. So does it change? Oh, it's still changing. Change to green, and then aqua blue to dark blue. That's really cool. Now it's, wait, I touched it and it changed a different color again. So what is this? I just have to figure out what's what, because now it's red. It stays in the yellow and the green. It goes faster, I think. Or this is something about the DPI move. Because you can also slow down the mouse with the DPI thing. And I think that's that move, because now it's really fast. And if I do it like that, yeah, now it's really slow. And then it's a bit faster. And now it's quite fast. Now it's gaming fast. So mine is this mode probably. Let's see. It's still a bit fast, but yeah. But anyway, guys, that's the unboxing of the Trust GXT Tural. I'm gonna show a thumbnail soon. Oh god, why is my gimbal doing weird now? And it changes the colors like this. Let me just, come on, gimbal. There we go. It changes colors. So it's not going in a spreading color like the Razer devices, but it's just in a constant color. But it has green, red, blue, and purple. Well, this is more pink and blue. And then it goes to aqua blue, yellow, purplish, pink, I don't know. And this is off. I like this color the best, because now it's green and also a bit orange, pink, blue. Yeah, I like this color. It's also really sturdy, like I said. This is aluminium, I think, or metal, I don't know, but it's really solid. I like that. It's really solid. And also the mouse color is changing every time. That's really cool. I like that a lot. So let's put you on a thing. Oh, that's not really working, but oh well. Okay guys, so this was my unboxing of the Trust GXT Tural. This thing. The Tural gaming combo. It comes with a mouse and also with the other thing. Yep, there we go. Oh, excuse me. Comes with the Tural mouse and the Tural keyboard. And I really like it a lot, man. It's really cool already. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and if you want to see more unboxings from me, Advanced Living Panda, go watch them right now. I got a lot of unboxings. But I'll see you guys later in the next video. Thanks for watching, and peace. Bye bye.